Morgan.
Hey.
And Libby. And Maya's over there. So today we're doing a challenge where we have 1 minute to get all our slime
1 minute?
Get all our slime ingredients, and then we're gonna slime with what we have, and we only have like 4 minutes to do that. And we have 1 minute, no, 5 probably. So Maya's gonna be holding the phone while we get the ingredients.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Excuse?
Oh!
Excuse you.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start with the glue, and I think I'm gonna get really bad. I know what I'm gonna get. And I'm gonna give her jojobos. Okay, I'm all done.
I'm picking out Libby's things. I think she would like pink and purple. And we'll get her for an extra. We'll get some of
Blue, so we'll
Hey guys! We're back. Now they're going to be picking the ingredients. So they have,
Maya's first.
they either have 2 glues or 1 glue. And this is the first glue that Maya picked out. And then they each have a couple
I'll
extras.
go next.
Okay, so Morgan's turn. And then they got green glue. And then they have this nice purple glue. So I like 2 of these glues.
Okay, my first thing.
Oh, do I have to add all of them?
Mean. I was trying to be nice. I thought you would pick something green. I was like, she's gonna pick something green.
And then I got googly eyes.
But that might have been the only bad thing. And I grabbed everything from the extra drawer, so the second drawer. So like, I don't know what half of the stuff was, so but I grabbed it. Go. It's nothing too bad.
Ooh, I got glitter. It's like aqua blue glitter.
Oh crap! These are open.
They are already too
You
glue.
ready? Here's some jojobos.
And I got
They're open. I just said that.
jojobos.
I got you some of this purple glitter, and I have 1 ingredient left.
Me too.
I have kind of 3 shows at the same time.
I got you for your last. This was from the extra drawer. I got you.
I got something like that too. It was
Nail
from
polish.
Okay, so don't make your slime yet. We're not gonna make our slime yet. Now you guys are gonna grab ingredients from me.
Okay, I'll go.
So,
Guys, so I'm gonna make something really bad for her because she makes some like nasty stuff. So I think I'm gonna make some like nail polish. More nail polish. Like really nasty color.
30 seconds.
Remember, hide them when you come out.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some of this. Then I'm gonna get her some of this. No. Do I want to get her that? Yeah, I'll get her that. She'll love it.
30 seconds.
Then I will get some of Oh, that's open. Whoopsies. I'll get her this. I'll get her some of these. And I'll get her this. All done.
Okay, so I got blue nail polish. Okay, go.
And then you got red nail polish.
Red nail polish. Go, Maya.
I got you some of this glitter.
Ooh, I actually like
There you
it.
go, confetti. I know, I got you pretty good.
I got you whatever that is.
Body wash. Did you get me any glue then? Let's hope you actually got me glue.
Okay, I got you this glitter.
Good. That glitter.
My turn?
Yeah.
I got you this thing.
You got me shampoo. You got me shampoo and a bubble bath.
I got you this glue. It's pretty good. It actually mixes in.
Okay. Is that all? And glue. I don't get what I get for glue. And blue glue. Teal glue.
See, I
Hey, that's my book. I want this. Okay, Maya.
Okay, now I'll go first.
I won't go first.
Okay, you can go first. Take the camera.
Okay. How many glues can we get?
15 seconds.
I'm hot at it. Okay, bye guys.
Okay, guys, I'm going. I don't think I'm gonna go too bad. I might give her like one bad thing. I'll give her hair drug. And glitter. And nail polish. And then I'm gonna give her 2 glues. I'm gonna give her okay, guys, I'm all done.
Guys, now
We're back.
give me mine.
I'll go first.
Wait, how many do you have?
I have 5.
I have 5. Okay, you can go first.
Okay, so I got her clear glue.
Okay. I'll start with Leah. I got her the other thing of these.
I got her purple glue.
And I got you blue glue.
Ooh, thank you.
And, I got her these glitter, the white.
I got you hair chalk.
I was gonna get you that turquoise hair chalk. Like, you can watch the video over again. Oh, that's okay. I got purple hair.
And then I got her purple glitter.
Nail polish.
I got nail polish.
And then I got her more purple glitter.
And I got you. So, yours is probably the best out of them all.
Yeah. I want this one. I'll call this one.
Thank you.
I called.
Well,
I think I'm gonna add the prettiest.
it's kind of hard because, like, I have, like, bubble bath stuff in mine.
Well, I have googly eyes, which I hate.
Yeah, I got you bad stuff.
Yeah, that's why I got you bad stuff.
I think we have to go glue shopping again, Maya.
Yeah. Well, we gotta have $45.
I need a
Maya, we both got purple glue.
I got blue glue with Maya.
Yeah.
I'm besties with everyone. And remember when we got
Everybody
the
got
squishies?
sparkly.
It's funny.
Just glue on.
How much green do I have to add?
I added quite a bit of green, or I tried to get green out. Did not work at all though, because it was like pretty much empty. But I did get a good amount.
I'll add some pretty glitter.
Hey, I'm gonna add in mine.
Is that enough?
I don't even see any.
My slime's gonna smell like
There's quite a
nail
bit.
polish.
Bleh. Purple, purple.
Are you adding more?
Yes.
I have barely any glue, but I honestly don't.
Boy, this purple.
Oh, but my slime stinks.
Jojo bows. Okay. That's enough of Jojo.
Ah.
Okay, guys, this is
Okay,
turning out.
activator.
Can someone open this for me? I have lotions on my hand.
I'm gonna hide everything up with glitter. Let muscles do it.
Let me see it. I think there's a hole in this.
My hands are set.
Oh my god, look at this slime.
I covered mine with glitter.
Jody are watching TV and we're trying to fall asleep. All you hear is TV because they're
Here,
dead.
pass it to Maya. It's open, so be careful. Holy!
I'm trying to hide my color with glitter.
Oh,
That's pretty.
uh,
I'm gonna add one
Oh,
googly eye.
this smells.
smell mine, smell mine.
Blech.
Oh, of glitter.
Look at mine. Mine's mermaid
I'm
slime.
gonna go with a pink.
I'm happy.
Mermaid slime?
Yeah.
Right, I gotta add lipstick.
Yeah, let me just add a few more drops.
I love this.
Guys, I can't get any
Okay,
lipstick
we pass
out.
that to Maya. I couldn't get any nail polish.
Guys, gotta go. Hey guys, we're back. I have my slime, Maya has hers. She's just finishing up. And Morgan had hers, but she had to throw it away because it was like having a chemical reaction.
Stinging really bad.
And it was stinging her hands really bad. So I think Maya wins this.
But there's pieces falling on my slime.
But this is mine. It's really sparkly and it has JoJo bows in it.
Thanks to me.
Yeah, thanks to Morgan.
Ow, I got in like the middle of the box.
We should decorate that box spring pretty. Like, because in the floor it doesn't look very good.
Yeah. This challenge is over.
So, we'll see you all later.
See you later.
Bye.
Peace out. We're back. I added googly eyes to the earth.